Hi everyone. This video will show you how to open Event Viewer on Windows 10 11 in 7 ways. 1. Open Event Viewer through search box. Press Windows and S. Type Event. And choose Event Viewer app to open it. 2. Launch Event Viewer through Windows Run. Press Windows and R. Type Event for MSC. And press Enter. 3. Find and run Event Viewer from Start. Click Start. Windows Administrative Tools. Event Viewer. 4. Access Windows Event Viewer with CMD. Press Windows and R. Type CMD. And press Enter. Type Event for and press Enter. 5. Open Event Viewer with PowerShell. Press Windows and R. Type PowerShell. And press Enter. Type Event for and press Enter. 6. Open Event Viewer from Control Panel. Press Windows and R. Type Control. And press Enter. Type Event in the search box. Click View Event Logs under Administrative Tools. 7. Create a desktop shortcut for Windows Event Viewer. Right-click Desktop. Select New and Shortcut. Type the location of Event Viewer and click Next. Type Event Viewer and click Finish. Double-click the Event Viewer shortcut to open it. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.